Despite consistent warnings from authorities, many still choose to celebrate New Year literally with a bang, lighting up firecrackers, sadly often illegal ones, just to usher in 2025. Unfortunately, this often results in numerous injuries that no less than the Secretary of Health check on by doing routine rounds in some of the busiest hospitals in the metropolis. PTV's Ben Manalo has the full details.
As part of the Ligtas Christmas sa Bagong Pilipinas in hospital preparedness rounds, today, the Department of Health, spearheaded by Secretary Ted Herbosa, visited the Philippine General Hospital, Manila Doctors Hospital, and Tondo Medical Center. Based on the records of the Philippine General Hospital, as of January 2, 2025, 17 victims of firecrackers have been documented so far. 15 of them are men and 2 are women, 7 children and 10 elderly. Most of them sustained visual injuries or impairment from up-close blasts from skyrockets or quitis, Judas Belt, 5-star firecrackers, and more powerful versions. And most of them were exploded with quitis, Judas Belt, 5 stars, and triangulo. This is 2.5 times more than the 13 cases recorded in 2023. The road traffic injuries recorded by the hospital increased by 60 in 2024 from last year. The hospital is also on the watch for communicable and non-communicable diseases this holiday season. Hospital recorded bronchial asthma cases rose 20 more in 2024 compared to 2023, as well as the increase of acute coronary syndrome. The hospital recorded strokes in 2024 dipped slightly compared to 2023.
Siguro very important mag-focus ang Department of Health sa prevention and health promotion, disease control.
One firework-related injury was recorded at Manila Doctors Hospital. Road traffic injuries recorded by the hospital last year dropped by more than 20 incidents compared to 2023, same as the recorded cases of communicable and non-communicable diseases. At the Tondo Medical Center, 46 fireworks-related injuries are on record, while 79 road traffic injuries were reported.
Yung sa road traffic injuries, magpapatulong tayo sa iba't ibang ahensya. Nandiyan ang PNP, nandiyan ang MMDA, nandiyan ang DPWH. Yung mga kuminsan lighting lang ng kalye, kuminsan nangyayari to sa gabi.
According to the Bureau of Fire Protection, the reported fire incidents related to firecrackers was lower this year compared to last year. The department still continues to remind the public to take care of one's body and physical health and be careful and alert behind the wheel to avoid accidents. From PTV Manila, Ben Manalo, Balitang Pambansa.